Hello, this video is for the Award Transaction Analysis by Researcher report found in Kuali. When you first log into Kuali, please click on Research Home. This will bring you to your research dashboard. On the left-hand side menu, you'll see your reports menu. If your left menu is collapsed, you're looking for this icon. To uncollapse it, just click on the arrow. Click on the reports menu, and this will bring you to the reports landing page. For this report, you'll see a Research Information Systems folder. Please click on it. And you're looking for the Award Transaction Analysis by Researcher report. Click on the report to open it. This report gives a list of all award transactions, and those award transactions represent the change in the anticipated amount entered into Kuali for any given award. The anticipated amount is the amount awarded to the university, not necessarily the amount funded. Due to the system timestamps that we have to use to generate these reports, we are currently only able to display transactions during FY 2020 or after. For data prior to FY 2020, please contact your OSP administrator. All right, this dashboard contains several small reports. The first one is the college center and VP level, followed by the lead unit, then the principal investigator, and then by researcher. Now, the difference between these two is the researcher will include all roles for which the researcher is assigned. It could be a co-I or a key person. Then we have analysis reports at the bottom, a Pareto analysis. We have the listing for the researchers by sponsor type. And then at the bottom, we have our raw data with all the transactions that are used to calculate the numbers above. Let's go to the top. To use the filters on the right-hand side in the filter menu, if this menu is collapsed, you'll want to take your mouse cursor and hover over the arrow on the right-hand side. Click on the arrow and it'll expand the filter menu. To use the filters, please click on the edit pencil icon on each filter. You want to unselect all. And then for this demonstration, we're going to use College of Engineering. Select your filter, click OK. Now you can see all of our reports have updated based on the filter we've selected. In this particular case, the lead unit is now showing all lead units or all departments that roll up to the College of Engineering. So you have all of your departments plus your dean's office. If we want to choose a specific lead unit, we'll click on the edit pencil icon, unselect all, and for this demonstration, we're going to use civil and environmental engineering. Select, click OK. And again, everything has been updated. This is a listing of all PIs associated with awards where the lead unit is civil and environmental engineering. If we go down to researcher, we can see all of the researchers assigned to each of these awards and their specific role. Going down to a little farther, you can see the amount that each researcher has done as a relation to the whole. Here's our sponsor type with our legend at the bottom, and again, our raw data. To clear the filters, click on the edit pencil icon, select all, click OK. Click the icon, select all, click OK, and now we're back to our baseline. To select the calendar year for which these awards take place, same process, click the edit pencil icon, unselect, and then choose your specific year. Now this is showing all transactions that occurred during calendar year 2020. Unfortunately, at this time, we are unable to produce a fiscal year filter, but we are working on it. Another way to use the filters is if you go to this specific report, and in this case, we'll go to the College Center and VP level report. We're going to click on College of Engineering. You'll see that it updated our filter. We'll go down to lead unit. We can repeat the same process, click on Civil and Environmental Engineering, and you can see it has updated our filters. To unselect the filters, any of these small reports that have a filter on them, you'll see an option to clear the selection. Click that, it clears the filter. We'll go up one more, clear this filter, and now we're back to our baseline. One thing I do want to point out, some of the analysis that we have on this, we're going to select College of Engineering again. We're going to look at the entire college this time. If you hover over each report, it gives you additional information. In this case, it's giving you the total amount of award transactions processed. Same thing with your principal investigators. And down here by researcher, this will show by role. Now, since we do have a lot of researchers, you'll see the magnifying box on the left-hand side. You can shrink this down. It has at least 6 entries is the smallest you can shrink it down. You can then click on the window and navigate through the entire list. For researchers who have multiple roles on multiple awards, you'll see a portion of their total will be dedicated to PI, and the other portion will be dedicated to COI. In this case, there are none, but we'll try and show you some at the end of the demonstration. This analysis report, this Pareto analysis report, has all researchers, all PIs, excuse me, listed by greatest to least with their contribution to the whole, and then an 80% baseline. The sponsor type, see, this researcher has some with federal, a portion with commercial awards, and a portion with academic. You can hover over each of those to see the individual amounts. At the bottom are all the actual award transactions that have taken place during the period selected and for the filters selected. To export this data, go to the ellipsis on the right-hand side of the report, click on it, hover over download, and you should have the option to download it as a CSV file into Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, or any other spreadsheet program. All right, we're going to scroll back to the top, and we're going to clear our selection to go back to our baseline. Another way to search, if you want to search specifically by either a lead unit or a researcher, you can click the edit pencil icon, unselect all, click into the search box, and start typing your researcher's name. When you find the researcher, select, click OK, and now all reports have updated to fit your filter. And again, we can clear the selection, and we're back to our baseline. If you have any questions about the report, please contact your OSP administrator. If you have any questions about the data contained within the report, please contact your OSP administrator. Thank you.